arrive, hein. Un petit instant, bon.
The beret or the...
Hindi yung sombrero na kagaya ni dito. Palalaki mo yan eh.
Lalaki.
Baka meron pa doon.
Baka meron pa doon mo.
Ayun o, may pang babae.
Saan?
Ahead.
Ahead daw.
Oh, chokola. Chokola.
Oh, look at that. Chocolate heaven.
Queen Elizabeth nito. Gumanda yun na eh. Magpa-flap eh.
Ito mas maliit. Oh, ito.
Oh, look, we were here.
Oh, a beret. Ayun, it's moving.
Yeah, nakita ko ah.
Jasmine, you went.
Scam daw pala yun. Yung mga nakapalibot doon. Ay,
Tingnan mo, magkakamukha sila.
Diyan daw sakay si mga bata.
Ayan. Kasakay ka niya na eh. Gusto mo siya makaayos. Eh. Gano'n lang ito.
Ano pangalan ng ano na yan?
Sacred Heart.
Sacred Heart?
Sacred Heart. In French, Sacré-Cœur.
Sacré-Cœur.
I don't know if I pronounce it right. Sacré-Cœur.
Oh, it's nice here. So, Mother Dear and Tita Rose are down there kasi they're gonna take the tram going up para mas easier sa kanila and convenient. Picture daw. And then Beb and I are gonna make our way up there. Then hintayin na lang natin sila kasi yung mga chikiting they're about to ride the merry-go-round.
No?
And I think pinapapuno pa nila, so it's gonna take some time. So ayun, mag-ano na ta. We're gonna have a head start. Wow.
সাইপ্রাস সম্পর্কে সব আইডিয়া দিয়ে লাই এখানে
Palilo? Yung ano, Notre Dame.
Saan?
Tama yung maraming gano'n
yes,
yan.
yes, yes. No hats daw. Beb, no hats.
No hat.
Next stop, Victor Hugo. Gonna take a bus and going to Eiffel Tower. This year, Victor Hugo. Okay, where to go?
Let's look at the map. Ayan, nakita ko. Victor Hugo.
Right, okay. We have to take the 82. I just have to figure out where the bus is.
This is 82 bus. There. Bus stop.
82.
This looks different from the
Yes.
there's
We're
trees.
getting fancier.
Yeah.
More fancy.
Yeah. That.
Have you seen Emily in Paris? The
Mm-mm.
program. Okay. Yeah, this is her. This is very up class.
Yeah.
More up class Paris.
Is that like season?
It is a season. Yeah.
Yeah.
Emily in Paris. Yeah.
That's the thing is, me and Gil can't
Yeah.
watch any season because he will not sleep until because it's always cliffhanger. Like,
Yeah.
one more,
Yeah.
one more.
To be fair, he probably won't enjoy Emily in Paris though. She's this is about a
Like a
girl.
more girly, yeah.
It's more of a girly thing.
What is the name of that? Tram something? Arc the Trail. Arc the Trail. So, medyo kasi lang.
Sige. Ito yung shoppingan mo na area.
I think so.
Oh, may YSL dun eh.
Parang pala ka.
Diyos ko. Bibili ko dyan. Ganda ko.
Makikita mo na yung lungkot.
Kita na.
Magkakross tayo ng river.
Dong 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 dong.
Ayun na.
Yeah.
Tanan!
Wow! Oh, wow.
This one?
Tatelepon niya kay. Usman. Regalo tu dah.
Oh, this is nice.
Cut the feet off. Feet, how? Can you do it?
Ano?
Kabayo.
Ikabuk, oh. Where? Here?
Yeah, yeah, nice. Yung canyon.
Dito yung perfect ano. Very clear view of the Eiffel Tower behind me. Ito yung perfect spot. So we can just find a place here to sit and then take some photos and then that will be it.
Good, I mean, you know. Like, ano na yun?
We had a lot of fun. Picture.
Nakita mo kayo Eiffel Tower, parang metal lang na may kalawang.
Bagay yung mga ano, souvenirs, like bronze.
It's like
It's
the
bronze.
Golden Gate.
Ayan. So we're gonna
Famous Eiffel Tower.
take an Uber to the metro, and then from the metro we're gonna go back to Blanche, and nandun yung hotel namin. So a few stops, and then we'll be there, and then lakaran ulit, and then I think we're gonna stay for the night and rest well for tomorrow's activities again. So let's go home. Oh wow.